Hi. Hi, good morning, everybody. My name is Opeoluwa Martins. My KD session is going to be about IoT, Internet of Things. So let's start. Internet of Things generally is a sort of connectivity between objects, just like the internet is connection between computers and devices. Internet of Things is basically trying to connect physical objects, passing connectivity to it, and they do this by using sensors, try to communicate. They actually started the first equipment that was used to test the protocol or the process was a Coke vending machine at Carnegie Mellon University. And what that did was just tell how hot or cold the vending machine is. You all know what the vending machine is now. Abroad, they just use it to get soft drinks and all. So what they did was okay, they kept the sensor and to tell them how cold, how hot the vending machine is, and if there are still drinks inside. The two technology they wanted to use then, but it was not really feasible then because they didn't have it was RFID tags. And what the RFID tag does is it just acts as a wireless networking connection. And the IPv6, the IPv6 is just like what gives every computer an IP address. So if you are trying to connect computers, you need IP address. So basically, if you are doing the same thing with objects, you need an IP address to do a bit of connection. Yeah. So the term Internet of Things was coined by Kevin Ashton of Procter and Gamble at MIT. Yeah, and also you cannot refer to a connection between devices as Internet of Things because it is not connecting things, connecting computers and devices. So smartphones and computers are not regarded as IoT gadgets, basically. So this is just a basic diagram. You can see a canvas connecting to a light bulb, to a webcam. It's just connection of different things, objects, watches, tables, armbands, it can be anything, basically. This procedure here has a lot of applications, and one of the applications is in the industry. They use it in predictive maintenance and digital control system. What these two systems do is okay, they check how effective their production processes are for the predictive maintenance. And smart grid is used in the power sector. There's also in consumer applications, that's like our smartwatches. Yeah. Smartwatch has, I think there's an Android here. So putting an Android operating system in a watch is IoT. Because now you can connect the watch to your phone, and maybe someday you'll be able to connect the watch to, I don't know, probably a table that displays something. I don't know. The possibilities are endless with IoT. Yeah, this is a perfect example. Mr. Coffee 10 Cup Smart Optimal Brew. What this machine does is wherever you are, you can be in Keja and your house is in Yaba, and probably with your phone or something, you can make a coffee before you get home. It's perfect, it's beautiful. In business, yeah, in business, what manufacturers do is they attach sensors to their products, and these sensors give them feedback. Basically, IoT deals with a lot of data. And with manufacturers, they deal with big data. Big data is just consumer information, a lot of different things. So with IoT and sensors attached to their products, they can easily tell how well the product is doing, what they need to improve, the production processes they need to, improve basically. Yeah, the technologies used. This is a bit wide, but I have to just shorten it. Short range wireless, medium range wireless, long range. Basically, since you need to connect devices, you need, just like you're connecting to phone with your Bluetooth device over a range of network. But with these connections, there's the probability of someone actually hacking into it because it's a connection. It uses signals. Someone can tap into it and hack into whatever you're doing and get data from whatever you're doing. Since okay, the Internet of Things can get information about your daily activities, everything you do, the temperature of your room, what your kids watch, your favorite program, everything used with data. Easy for hackers to get information about you by simply tapping into it. And flaws have the third bullet point here. Flaws have left smart home devices like refrigerators, ovens, dishwashers open to hackers. Researchers found 100,000 webcams that could be hacked with ease, while some internet-connected smartwatches for children have been found to contain security vulnerabilities that allow hackers to track the wearer's location, withdraw from conversation, or even communicate with the user. So with all its advantages, this is a major disadvantage. There are other disadvantages too. Privacy, yeah, you don't have privacy. With IoT, you really don't have privacy. If I'm a skilled hacker, I can tell a lot about you. You have a lot of gadgets connected that way using the Internet of Things. Um, um, from when you brush your teeth, when you go to bed, your favorite radio station, type of food you eat, what your children think, thanks to their smart toys, etc. etc. IoT, privacy and business. Yes, with businesses, if they decide to use a gadget that is not properly protected, sensitive information about the company can actually be retrieved by hackers through the network. Yes, this is very important. IoT and cyber warfare. Biggest risk with Internet of Things is the possibility of it becoming a terror, a more organized way of terrorizing countries, organizations. You just think of it, you don't really need to bomb a place. All you need is okay, this is America. Let me get the information of what they do, their security, the way they move, everything. You can get even heat signals. Sorry, do you know what heat signals are? Like it's laser vision. You go into a room, even if you are blindfolded, you know people are in the room because you can their body heat is radiating. This is I don't know who has seen iRobots. iRobot, okay, yeah. Perfect example of cyber warfare. So if Al Qaeda or one of these terrorist groups decide to attack America and okay, they decide to attack their systems, they can shut down trains, do a lot of things, just destroy you, even mess with their economy and all. So with this possibility, there are also measures the government have put in place to protect people's data and how companies actually use people's data on IT. One of actually depends on the country. In America, the laws they put in place are U.S. Privacy Act of 1974, guidelines on protection of privacy and transport. So basically, what this does is protects consumers' privacy. Basically, if you're an organization that takes people's data, you have to sure that they have to be sure you're not trying to use it for other mischievous purposes. Basically. So thank you. Any question? Yeah, I don't have question. When I have a question, why you laughing? Yeah. So who can just summarize what IoT is? I'm going to point to. I'm going to point. Okay. Help over. Light bulb actually. Light bulb. Yeah, it can help. Trying to protect. Yeah. And actually, it's very unsafe for now. Most of the IoT devices are not ready to be used. If they decide to put them in, they are around already, but what happens is it's very vulnerable. A very skilled hacker will just get access to it easily. Imagine, okay, I'm sitting in my room and there's probably a camera in the watch there, and I'm just using it to protect, and someone just hacks into it. I heard Zuckerberg covers his webcam anytime he uses the system. And they are very skilled hackers, very, very skilled hackers. So that's all about IoT. Thank you all for listening. Yeah, oh, you have a question, sorry. What are the advantages? Well, it makes you more organized. Like you are it, I don't know the word used for people that are very organized. I can decide, I can have everything I want to do scheduled at once. I have my car that drives itself. I've scheduled it to come and pick me at this time. Everything, I have my time. Makes you more organized, I don't know. Makes for companies, big data and all of that, it makes it easy for them to know their customers, improve their production, a lot. That's a lot of advantages. But disadvantages right now, it's really not safe. HR, do you have a question? All right, thank you all for coming to my KD session. It was short and brief. Yeah, it was short and brief.